everyone, welcome back to my channel So Little Time, and my name is Karen. So I hope you're all doing really well. I have a different type of video for you today, and I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing of a subscription service that has been kindly sent to me by the lovely Emma at the owlandsewingcat.com. Now, she has kindly contacted me to ask me to receive one of these and share it with you all, as it's not a subscription service that I've come across before, and it's not your typical subscription service where you receive a fabric and pattern and that kind of thing. It's more of a sewing kit style one. And I've had a browse through their website, and they do have some really lovely sewing kits available on their website. So they don't just do the subscription services. What they actually do is sell sewing kits for children's patterns. They do it for bag patterns, adults patterns, and a lot of different haberdashery style sort of sewing kits. So there are some really lovely things available on their website. So please do go and check them out, and I will pop the link across the bottom of the screen for you so you can go and see what they've got available. So Emma kindly gifted this to me to share with you, and as at the time of speaking, I haven't opened this. So this is going to be a complete surprise to me as to what is inside the package. You don't have to set up a subscription service with them to receive the kit monthly. You can just have a one-off trial of it. And if you wanted to do that, I have just got the details here in front of me, then it would cost you a one-off price of £20.45. If you were to buy a 6-month subscription service, then that would cost you £123. And then there is an option to have a 12-month one at £229, and a 3-month one of £65.85. So it's nice to have those different options available to you, you know, because not everybody can afford it every single month. So at least you can dip in and out as you see fit, or set yourself up one which you can just pay for on an ad hoc basis, you know, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, whatever you really can afford. So I'm going to be opening this up with you. And before I actually open this up, I'll just show you how it comes. So it came in a lovely pink bag. And then as you can see on the front here, it's got their logo, and then it says here, free gift inside. So I think what it is included in this is that they actually provide you with the sewing kit and all the required fabrics and trims and things that you need to make up the project that's inside. But they also include in there, I think it's a free haberdashery gift, so that's probably what they're referring to there for the free gift inside. And then they just also give you a code if you wanted to use it on something else. So if you're a member, then you get a code to be able to use that on any other orders for fabrics, haberdashery, patterns, sewing kits, and that kind of thing. And I think you then are, if you are a member, you do get free delivery for the duration of your subscription as well. So I'm going to open this now to see what we've got inside. So I'm excited to see what I'm going to be making up. So I shall just open it now. I'm sorry if this is going to be a bit noisy. So let's see how easy this is. So you just put it like an Amazon one, basically. So I shall pull this open and have a look. Ooh, I can see some fabric already. I didn't open that very well. Let me try that again. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to dive in. Oh, I've seen something that I really like already. Okay, let's get everything out. Okay, right, so I've emptied the box, and the first thing that I've come across is a fabric that I absolutely love. Now, I actually made my son some curtains not so long ago, and this is very similar to that. Look at those beach huts. Absolutely love that. I love doing free motion machine embroidery in this sort of style as well. So yeah, that's absolutely beautiful. Still have no idea what I'm making, but that's the first fabric that's included. Then it looks like we've got some calico. So just some sort of cream style fabric there. Then we have some navy cotton with anchors on. If you can see, put it that way, like that. And then we have some polka dot fabric in this gorgeous red colour, and this is like a canvasy type of material. So I'm wondering what I'm going to be making. So let's see what is included. So it comes with the full paper pattern. So I've got a paper pattern here, and then you've got an A4 pack of instructions. So this is what I'm going to be making, and it's the Sally Shopper bag pattern. So it includes all of the, obviously, fabrics as you saw, and then inside here, it's got the step-by-step instructions. So that's really lovely, with some photo pictures there to go alongside the written instructions, which I find is always really, really handy. So I'm really excited to make that up because I absolutely love that bag. And I just love those colours, polka dots, you know, red, and I love the beach theme. That would be perfect. Oh, I'm meeting up with a friend this Thursday. I probably won't be able to get it done in time by this Thursday, but that would have been perfect for my little picnic that I was going on, because I'm always going on picnics with the boys. So this is going to be great. And also for going on the beach, you know, this is very much a style that I would definitely take on the beach in Cornwall here in the UK when I'm on holiday. So that is amazing. So you get all of those fabrics included to make it up, and then the instructions. So now we're going to take a look what the free gift is. So this is a bobbin tidy, I think it says on the front. So let's have a look what that is. Oh, I've got some of these. So that's really nice. I can add them to my collection. So you basically have these little plastic pin things, and you put the bobbin on first, your bobbin that is got your thread all wrapped around it, and then this section here, you push that through the reel of thread, so you keep your bobbin and your thread together. So I think that's brilliant. Yeah, I think that's how you do it anyway. That's what I've done with my other ones. Yes, that's really, really nice. So thank you so much, Emma, for gifting this package to me, and I'm so glad to be able to share it with you all. So please do go and check out her website and have a look what availability they've got of all their sewing kits. And if you're interested in setting up a subscription with them to receive a gift like this, you know, I love receiving things through the post. I think it's a real pick-me-up, especially as we're just coming out of a very traumatic time in our lives, aren't we? It's just so nice to receive things through the post. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. So it's very much a different type of video for you. So I hope you have enjoyed it. Please do like this video if you have done so, and please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. That would be lovely. And I have to say thank you very much to each and every one of you who have been with me from the start, who have been following me throughout my sewing journey. And also, if you are a newer subscriber, thank you very much for joining me on my channel. Anyway, take care, and I shall see you all very soon. All right, bye.